Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Telegram on the web and open Telegram in your browser on your PC. Using Telegram Web lets you access your chats, send messages, and manage your account without installing the desktop app. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer. In the address bar, go to www.web.telegram.org. You'll be presented with the sign-in options. You can sign in by scanning a QR code with your phone or by logging in with your phone number. If you choose the QR code option, open the Telegram app on your phone. Tap the menu or Settings, then select Devices. Tap Link Desktop Device, then scan the QR code displayed on your computer screen. If you choose to sign in with your phone number, enter your phone number and follow the verification steps. Once you're signed in, all of your chats will automatically appear in your browser. You can now send and receive messages, share photos, videos, and files, create groups, and manage your conversations just like you would in the Telegram app. Any changes you make on Telegram Web will automatically sync across all of your devices. When you're finished, you can click the menu and select Log Out if you're using a shared or public computer. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Telegram on the web and open Telegram in your browser on your PC. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Telegram tips, messaging tutorials, and productivity guides. See you in the next one.